And aside from Ateneo, I think malaki ang chance ng FEU din. Kasi nga, sobrang lakas nila sa depensa. At kung on sila, on talaga sila.
For sure, LaSalle. LaSalle was second din, diba, last round coming into the semis and finals. And they got the championship trophy. So, they would be the toughest opponent then. Or like one of the likely opponents that can be the champion this season.
Of course, Ateneo. They deserve it. Everybody naman works hard, but the two teams that I see that will go to the finals are Ateneo and LaSalle.
Pinakamataas na chance na mag-champion is yung LaSalle pa din po. Sila po yung nakikita ko talagang hindi sumusuko. Kapag nanonood po ako, parang sila po talaga yun.
Besides Ateneo, I think UST have been competing well. They've been improving talaga since the start, so I think they'll really be a team to watch out for.
Kasi Final Four to eh. Pag pumasok ka na ng Final Four, syempre iba na yung mindset ng mga bata dyan. Iba na yung eagerness to win. Iba na yung drive mo to win talaga. So, doon natin malalaman. Yun nga, sabi, kahit championship, di ba, tinatapon natin yung stats. Kasi, hindi alam natin na iba yung lalaroin. Kasi iba na yung motivation and inspiration ng mga bata para maglaro. So, I'm just really happy na sa apat na teams na nakapasok. Kasi, I think well-deserved talaga na makapasok sila sa Final Four at pinaghirapan talaga nila na maging nasa Final Four sila.
Kanino ka mag-cheer? UST at
Both! Well, definitely, I'll cheer for my teammates and for my schools. Siyempre, iba pa rin, iba. I don't know. For every team naman, sa lahat na makapasok sa Final Four.